Hey guys, Lord Vadercraft here, and today we are back with another Roblox Bee Swarm Simulator video. As you can see, I got the Robloxian 2.0 as well as the Robot Animation Pack. But in this video, well, you can also see 92.3 million honey. So, that can only mean one thing. That we are close to a certain 100 million honey item, which may or may not be that right there. And that person is a pro. They have 428 million honey right now. Oh, also, some bear update. We're pretty close. We got 6,000 ability tokens, which is the farthest one. 9 out of 10 spiders, which we're about to finish. Dandelion field boost. Oh, wait a minute. I'm pretty sure there's a code for that. I'll cut the video and check that after we beat this spider. I might be able to get plus 10 dandelion boost. Okay, so now we finished the spider. So I'm going to cut the video, see if there's a code. Be back in a second. Okay, there is a code for a dandelion field. It's New Basha Plus. I'm not sure if I've redeemed it or not. Hopefully I haven't, and I've already redeemed it. But, well, yeah, I should have saved it, but hey. I would have plus 10 field boost, that would have been amazing. But this would actually be a very good field, like, to grind in once I get the, whatever it's called, the porcelain honey dipper. Well, it will be. I don't know why the game audio isn't working. That's kind of weird. I tried turning it on earlier, but it didn't work. If you hear a noise in the back, it's either ducks, because I'm outside right now, or it's my little siblings, because they're inside right now, too. Yeah, this is actually pretty fast, honestly. It's almost as fast as, like, plus 4 blue flower field, and I know how amazing that is. It's super overpowered. For me at least. For some reason I always love, like, my favorite field to grind in is the blue flower field. I don't understand why. It's just like super duper duper fun to grind in there. Cause it's like one of the earliest fields, but then you grind it and it's really good. It doesn't make any sense, but I like it. As the ducks just constantly chirp in the background. We're playing on a... I can't believe how pro this Madison person is. You can't see their stuff because it's like right above here, above where the recording is. Might as well. Send friend requests. Maybe they'll subscribe. Okay, well, we're like a third of the way to filling up the backpack. Not too bad, but not that good. For some reason, I just have Mining Simulator music stuck in my head. Like, I really like Mining Simulator. As you could probably tell in that video that I made where I had, like, low-key a couple hundred rebirths. Actually, a couple hundred, that's not very good. A couple thousand, like. I had 2.8 thousand rebirths is what I had. Not had. This grind is going kind of slow, but what can you expect? As soon as I get the thingamabobber, then I'll be able to, what am I saying? But as soon as I get that, I'll be able to do it much faster. As soon as I fill this back, okay, wait a minute, I'm gonna pause real quick, because Whooper's won. Okay, Whooper just had to do something real quick, aka Kenny. So, but, anyways, as I was saying, after I get one backpack in here, probably, even though it's a waste of a good field booster, I'm probably gonna try to just, I'm probably going to hope that I get a strawberry field boost from the red field booster, because there's a code that's Fruit Machine that gives a +1 strawberry field boost and some other field boosts. Pineapple patch, I'm pretty sure. Oh, Whooper's coming back out. Okay, pausing again. Okay, I'm back. Whooper is out here.
Hello.
And he's just pulling up Roblox while I do this. Actually, I just realized that our server is full.
Rest in peace.
Hey, who knows? Maybe once we get the porcelain honey dipper, we can join Whooper's server and just show it off that we spent 100 million honey on a tool. Wait, how much honey have we ever gotten? We've gotten 220 million honey ever, and so this will put us over 93 million honey. Quite a lot. Oh, actually, we're really close to our. Oh, come on. We're really close to our dandelion. Oh, we finished our clover badge. We doubled our clover badge somehow. My field booster just ran out, so we can use the other field booster now. Don't know how that 10 minutes went by very fast. Oh, I forgot to use the wealth clock. That's great. Our moon charm upgraded twice. We got 2% instant conversion and monthly treats. Okay. So I've been just trying to level up my puppy bee because I really like it. And Riley bee, not gifted. Where's the music bee? Not gifted. Ninja bee. Not gifted. And we don't have any other treats except for the moon charms, but I don't really want to feed that. Wow, look at this professional with her cool boots and all that. I think she's also got the Robloxian 2.0. Yep. Look at those fancy boots. I want those. Oh, there's still 11 more days. I'm definitely gonna get the boots. Because all that I need is like 19,000 more ability tokens.
As I'm trying to get 100. Yeah, I got 100. Now I need to get
I'm just like, oh yeah, all I need is like 19,000 more ability tokens.
I need honey tokens now.
Rosefield Boost. Not that Rosefield Boost isn't good. I like Rosefield, but because it's pretty good, honestly.
Where do you find tree tokens?
Treats?
Honey!
They're in that area.
This area?
Yeah.
I don't see no tree tokens.
Yeah, they spawn. Oh wow.
I got another honey. I'm so good at getting honeys.
I'm honestly surprised that I just got 3 strawberries from that scorpion.
I needed that honey, boy.
Oh yeah.
I need that honey.
Basic bee leveled up to level 5.
All the honeys that spawn here I need. Okay?
Do you want a honey storm?
Honey.
Do you need a honey storm?
I need a honey. Wait,
I'm
I'm gonna go in my own section. So
okay, I'm gonna go get Whooper a honey storm because it sounds like he might need a honey storm. Oh wow.
I might need a honey storm. Go destroy the ladybugs. You are some good bees. I couldn't live without you. Well, I could. But
Okay, and summoning honey storm.
Summon it.
I did summon
I
it.
don't see no honey.
Well, that's your fault.
You're on the other.
Oh, I'm not on his server. Oh, okay. What am I thinking?
Boy, where's the seedling? Where's the seedling?
Cue sad frozen
I'm gonna
music.
find this seedling.
Cue the very sad frozen music. You should just make like a parody of Elsa, Let It Go parody.
Let it go. Let it grow. Let it go.
The snow blows white on the
Mountain tonight.
The audio is from Kenny's computer because my audio is broken forever and ever and ever.
Oh, there are 2 rhino beetles.
No,
Can you join my server? Where is the seedling?
In a little bit.
I need this seedling.
Okay, after this cell, I'm probably just gonna cut ahead until I get like 5 million more, but I still gotta fill up this backpack, so there's a bit of time left. And this girl
Where
over here
is the sprout?
This girl over here just has like 450 million honey in her backpack.
I just have like 53,000 honeys.
Oh,
That
actually,
guy's an ant bee.
an ant bee?
It's an ant following him.
Oh, that's an ant charm. I have a gold.
I'll say.
It's an
That's
ant
an
bee.
ant bee.
Hashtag ant bee in the comments down below for a chance to win your own ant bee.
Wait. I want this ant bee so bad.
Hey Whooper, you know that if you get sprouts, they can drop treats?
I know. I don't know where the sprouts is though.
Just look around.
It's just spawned on the server, but I can't find it. I've looked everywhere on Earth.
If you looked everywhere on Earth, then you would have to look at like Brazil, China,
Seriously,
Africa.
can you help me find it?
No, you.
I wish you were on my server so bad.
I'll be on your server in a couple hours.
Join it right now.
No.
Subscribe if you're still listening.
Wait. Subscribe to join the dark side. Hopefully there's a pet simulator update soon. Because there hasn't been a pet simulator
Isn't there
update
like
in 2 weeks.
apparently there's like a dragon sim? I had the dragon game that we were playing update.
How do you know that?
Let me go get that bamboo royal jelly. It sleds the wind. Ow! Who made the scream?
It was a rage token.
Oh yeah, it was a rage. I wish I had a rage bee. That's so me.
Oh, actually.
I have
Okay,
some
I'm gonna
problems
get to
with
95 million, then I'm gonna cut ahead until I get 5
I have some
million
problems with raging, everyone. You probably know me.
more. No, you don't.
Yes, I do. I have some rage
No,
problems.
you don't. I know
Serious
you more
rage
than anyone,
problem.
except for probably Dad.
Oh! Yeah, he knows how much rage problems I have. Like a rage bee and a rage token.
He doesn't actually have rage problems. He's
Yes,
lying.
I do! You're lying, boy.
No, you.
You don't know me. I know me better than you know me.
No, you.
I love this music.
Do-do-do. Turn up the volume higher, Whooper. There. Actually, no, that's way too loud. Turn it down.
I put it on the highest possible.
Like halfway. That's good.
Jacob, please join my server.
I ain't joining no server until I get
I need those
25,000
street
ability
tokens,
points.
boys. That was so funny how we didn't even know that we were on different servers.
I'm like, oh, do you need a honey store? And then he's like, yeah. And then I'm like, okay, here's a honey store. I'm not Looper.
And you were like, lols.
Oh,
The lols is XP.
No, you, XD.
You're like,
My singing is 10 out of 10. Just admit it now in the comments.
your singing is less than 0.
My singing is greater than 14
Oh!
billion.
I just was singing today. I had chorus at my school.
Sorry for the silence. Oh, hey, Whooper, you can join my server.
Boy, you join my server.
No, you.
You join it.
My
I'm
server
gonna find a moon token thing.
The moon charm.
Moon charm.
Like,
I know all my stuff.
Yes, 100%.
I know all my stuff.
Hashtag
not a noob at
Lord
this game.
Whoopercraft here.
Hey guys.
Oh, we just broke
Crafty.
95 million honey. This is like cool.
Ain't that trash?
Oh! Okay.
Yep, you trash.
I'm going to cut the video until I have 100 million honey.
I need that honey token so bad right there.
Okay, guys, we are back with more honey than I've ever had at one point ever. Almost half of any of the total honey that I've made my entire life, which we are about to spend. All of it except 525,000. Keeper's mask, equipped. Mondo belt bag, equipped. Me, equipped. The porcelain dipper. 2 pollen from 81 surrounding patches in 0.75 seconds. Collects 1.5 from white flowers. Buy. Oh, wow, we're dolls. Let's test this out. Oh, that's overpowered-ish. A little bit, kind of. Depends. Wait, let me go test it out in our pine tree field that we have a field booster for, and everyone knows that field boosters are the best. Okay, now I can see what all the hype is about. It's pretty good. And that's a bit of an understatement. It's definitely good. Super good. Not as good as I'd like, but it's probably just because I don't have as much multiplier. Oh, wow. It's probably because I don't have as much multipliers and stuff. Oh, yes. It's definitely super good. Oh. To end this video off, I'm going to go do an ant challenge. Because I've only done them with either the scythe or the, what's it called? The bubble wand of death. Okay, well, 3 ant pass. Oh, SD Mittens beat Sharp. Okay, spend 1 ant pass. Okay, let's see. Oh, wow. That is definitely going up so much faster than it used to. Wow. This is going to make my score go up so high. My score's like, I think 60 right now. I don't even remember what that music is from. I think like it's probably like Pokemon or something. Just makes you go by super duper duper fast. Whoa. Hey, that's pretty good. Oh. What am I doing? No, what? What? Okay, let's end this video. Well, that was anticlimactic, to say the least. Rascalby. 15 of those. I'm gonna feed 1. Then 1. Then, hey, what's it gonna be? 1. 1. 1. Guess what's gonna be? 10. And now, where is he? Ninja. 1. 1. 8. And now feed the normal treats to the puppy because he needs the treats. Okay, well anyways, I hope you all enjoyed this banger of a video. I got the porcelain honey dipper. Smash, 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 smash. And I will hope to see you all next time. Remember to like the video, comment #AntB if you are watching to this point. Remember to subscribe to join the dark side and hit the bell to be notified for all my future videos, because I'm pretty sure that YouTube is weird if you don't do that and it doesn't even put it in your inbox. But I hope to see you all next time. Enjoy and goodbye.